Hi, hello friends. I am giving the warm welcome to the electrical engineering students, aspirants who are willing to prepare for the competitive exams and you are unable to sit for a very long time. The biggest problem with every one of us is sitting for a very long time and unable to learn all the things. Some of you might be looking for a good job, or some of you might be already in job and looking for a government sectors. So under this situation, some of you might be preparing for IITs to join MTech. GATE is very important. So if you are preparing for GATE, BARC, ISRO, DRDO, GAIL, SAIL, state government exams, SSC, JEE, it doesn't matter which exam it is. The problem is spending huge amount of time. You may not be able to spend 6 hours or 8 hours or 10 hours per day. That's a problem. So we will have to come out of it. That's why we are launching this crash course. It's not like something we are uselessly doing. The thing that we are going to do here is definitely will be supporting you at least to get minimum 6 to 8 marks. I can say definitely it will go above 7 marks out of 10 marks. If you are facing 10 marks, definitely this crash course will support you to minimum you can score 6, maximum you can go up to 10 also. It depends on the way that you are putting the effort, because we know though the syllabus is very vast for each and every subject, when you started practicing the question, you can be realized that only 30 to 40% conceptual things are required to crack all the questions from a subject. So what we'll have to do is we are going to focus on only those 30 to 40% of the concepts, and this will definitely support you to crack all the exams. I will be giving lot of tricks, formulas, important concepts, and at some places you might be stuck. Though you are very well in the concepts, you may not be able to solve problems. In those areas, we will be keeping a deep attention, and I'll be telling you how the questions are being framed from this area and what you have to do, how to tackle those type of questions. Apart from that, how to manage your time, how to maintain the accuracy for different types of exams. Some of you might be preparing for different exams, like for BARC, for GATE. BARC will be conducted for 2 hours, GATE will be conducted for 3 hours, but some other state government exams will be conducted for 1.5 hours. When you are commonly preparing for all these technical glitches, how should I manage the time, sir? That is very important, no? So you will have to make one exam you have to complete in 1.5 hours, another exam you will have to complete in 3 hours. So managing the time during the preparation also, you should learn. During the preparation itself, you should learn how to manage this time, how should maintain the accuracy, how should I maintain the speed. So these three people should be balanced everywhere, like our three-phase system. If three currents are being balanced, then the net current will become zero, neutralized. Like that, you should be balancing. Accuracy is very, very important. Time management also is very, very important for different types of exams. So without doing these two things, you are unable to get a very good score. So what will I do, sir? Yeah, that's why I'm here. I'll be supporting you for from each and every classes. You will be learning a beautiful things. I have already told you that we will be launching these classes between 9:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Slowly, we will be completing one by one subject. Coming October, I think November 1, October 30, 31st, November 1 and 2, BHEL exams are going to be conducted. After moving forward, there are so many PSU'S exams are going to be conducted. I hope you all might have been observed all these things, and you are being applying for all the exams. So I'm trusting you all. So whoever are doing the preparation for any competitive exams, don't miss the crash course. And one more thing I would like to tell you, if you are unable to spend huge amount of time, I will be telling you within short span how can we get minimum 60 to 70%. At least we can crack the exam and join in some sectors. That can be possible. That is also possible. If you are spending a little more time, definitely you will be in the merit list also. That is also possible. For this, don't spend huge amount of money in the market. Nowadays education almost become in India especially, people converted it as a product and they started selling it everywhere. What everyone is doing is everyone launching the classes, and they will be buying the people who are not having the best quality. You can be observed on YouTube also. Everyone is started teaching. Because of this, what happened is you people are not getting the proper content. There is a proper streamline is required. It's not like everything you can get everywhere. A proper conscious mind is required. If you are watching some lecture, you should gather the information whether it is qualitative or not, without knowing that just okay, this is the point, directly noting that, and if you are trying to solve the problem, it may be there is a chances of getting wrong content. It may leads you to get wrong answers, and you will be thinking that I am very strong in content, You may not getting the answer because you haven't understand the content. The platform that you are choosing is not the correct one. So be conscious. It doesn't matter in which institute you are choosing. Before choosing the institute, first try to observe the quality of that particular people, whether they are being delivering the content properly or not. It doesn't matter whether the institute is very big one or it is the smallest one. Due to some reasons, in some places they may be hitting to the Himalayas, but it doesn't mean that the quality is there, right? You will have to observe whether it is there or not. So before investing 70 or 80,000 without having a conscious mind, after investing the money, you will be losing the time, you will be losing everything will be going, including money. So don't blindly do that. So before joining in any institutes, just to properly, okay, I can manage this time, okay, and this classes is worth for this money. After that, after collecting all the informations from the previous year students or from the classes, by observing the demo lectures, do whatever the things that you can do, but find the best resources before starting the preparation. Education is a service oriented, it is not a marketing one. It's not like, hi, hello friends, I have recorded this many lectures, here we are selling the product for 40,000, 70,000, you can buy this. No. It's a vegetable, going outside, buy this vegetable, everyone can do that. Education, it's a kind of service oriented. The people who are having passionate teaching, they only can do this properly. There only you can feel the love of this education system, you can feel the love of the content. It's not like watching the lecture just blindly making the notes and memorizing. It will not work anywhere. Okay, so let's launch the lecture series. Already we have launched, and we will be continuing it properly every day at 9:30 p.m. we are coming live, and we will be completing the all subject one by one. As of now, we are going to be conducting it as a crash course. After that, we will be going for a complete set of classes for each and every subject. You can trust me, you will be seeing, nowhere in India you might be seeing this quality. Definitely our classes should be beyond than what you are expecting. Okay, it will support you to crack any exam. Definitely you will be getting very good score. I hope you all will be utilizing this opportunity properly. To get the further update, first visit our website www.rkelectricalgrid.com, rkelectricalgrid.com. There you can find the link for our Telegram group. Join in our Telegram group first, because there only we are updating all the data. So it is not possible to update the sheet on YouTube, no. So you will be getting all the upcoming exam updates, what is the applying dates and what we are doing, live classes, if we are launching any test series, everything will be affordable only, because I'm not doing this for this kind of selling product and earning crores of money. I love teaching. I always love teaching. These things I'm doing since my childhood onwards, and I would like to continue it. I would like to give my great service for the people. That's why I'm initiating this institute. Every time, many times I have been told, almost it has been more than 7 years I'm in this teaching career. I have been cracked so many exams. I know how these things can be done in a very short manner, and how can we get very good score in any exams in order to place it, whatever the exams that you are looking for. Okay, so very all the best to every one of you. Utilize the opportunity effectively. Join at 9:30 p.m. in our live sessions. Click the like button, bell button. You will be notified when we are going live. And second thing, this live link also be shared in our Telegram group. For that, you will have to be joined in our Telegram group. There you can take quizzes, test series, whatever the things that you want. And you will be having any suggestions or any queries, you can also ping us on WhatsApp. 9791508785 will be our WhatsApp number. You can also find the WhatsApp link in our website. Okay, so one more thing I would like to tell you. Till last week, up to last week, since my starting of the journey on YouTube, I used to do given my service only for the Tamil people. You know, it happened, but after that I have we have completed 95% of the content for Tamil people. Now it has been uploaded in our website also. Now so many people are demanding from North India and South India, so we are going completely English from this moment onwards. The lectures content will be purely English. Anyone can prepare here. There will be no any specific language. Definitely you will be enjoying. You will never ever find such a classes in India. I am damn sure. I am giving 100% accuracy. Definitely you will fall in love with all these subjects. I am saying technical subjects, and definitely you will be rocking in any exams, any upcoming exams. Very all the best everyone.